Good morning students, hope all of you are doing well. Today I want to show you different types of angles by using a paper. So you see this, I have taken one paper. So you see that at first we have to fold this paper like this way. So actually whole paper I will use, but you have to make it half at first. So you see here, so like this way you make it, and then you see, now you see this paper is I'm making it half. Okay, so now you cut this paper and make it 2 pages. Okay, so now you take a pencil compass. Okay, so by using this I have to draw a one big circle on this paper. So I have to draw a one big circle. So you start making a circle on those two papers. So see here, so it's better if you so same size of circle you have to draw on those two papers. So that's why I am taking two papers together and make it a center. So that if you, when you make a make a center of the first paper, then the stress is on that second papers also if you put it together. So that's why I am taking 2 pages in together and try to start a make a circle. Okay, so like this way you have to make a big circle. So see here, in the first page already I have drawn this big circle, and also that second papers also I have drawn the same type of circle. So and both circle radius also same and the center also same. So both actually the same radius circle. So like this way you have to draw two circles. See here, two circle you have to draw. Now you have to cut it you have to cut those two circle by using a scissor. Okay, so already I have cut it. So see here, I made a two circle. So see, these two circle already I make it. So now you have to take a, so see here, so from center to that this side you have to cut it like this way. So I have cut it like this way. See, from the center to that so actually I am cutting the radius of this circle. So you see here, like this way in two circles you cut it like this way. Now you put inside of one of that circle inside of it. Okay, so you start putting inside of this. See, yes, so now you used as a disc, as a rotating disc, you see here. So now you see this, so see, so we know already that what is the types of angle, what is the different types of angle, those things already learned. So first of all is the acute angle. So acute angle measures less than 90 degree. So you see this angle. So see this angle, it is less than 90 degree or not, you see. So this is the acute angle. So now if you move little bit like this, see, yes, much more, yes. So now it is 90 degree. Okay, so right angle. So if you want to measure it is 90 degree or not, so for this actually you have to use the protractor. So by using a protractor you can find out this is a 90 degree or not. Okay, so that things already I discussed in my previous video, how to measure an angle by using a protractor, so these things already you learn. So now is that, so this is right angle. So now is that number 3 are the types of angle is that obtuse angle. So obtuse angle measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Okay, so you see this angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So now you see, wait, what is that? Next one is the reflex angle. So reflex angle actually measure more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So you have to so see this, this is actually 180 degree is this. So 180 degree is this. So this is the straight angle. So straight angle measures 180 degree. So this is actually the straight angle. So see, but reflex angle is more than 180 degree. So more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. And next one is the zero angle. So zero angle actually zero angle measures angle হচ্ছে 0 degree, and last one is the complete angle. So see this is a complete angle. So complete angle measure 360 degree. So like this way you please make two circle and you cut it like this way. And actually I don't have a color paper, so that's why I'm using this one. So for this you can understand, so that's why I'm making a stripe here, and this one is fully blank. So you make this two papers and two circle, and you cut it like this way, and you measure one by one angle. Okay, so acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, zero angle, and complete angle. Okay, so once more time I want to show you. So at first you have to put this things in a two circle like this way, one overlap another, and then you start rotating like a rotating disc. So see, so rotating disc, yes. So we know that when if any angle which measures less than 90 degree is called acute angle, and which angle is more than 90 degree or less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle, and which the angles measured. So this is actually this, you see this one is a right angle. See, this is a right angle, and this one is a obtuse angle. So obtuse angle measure more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, and straight angle is measure so 180 degree. So now you have to make a straight angle. So straight angle see, this is a straight angle. So straight angle measures 180 degree, and then reflex angle measure more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So see this one reflex angle. So it is a more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, and zero angle measures 0 degree, and complete angle measures, you see this complete angle, yes, complete angle measures 360 degree. So this is a 360 degree. Okay, so like this way you please do it, and try to understand what is the types of angles. So it is very much easy to make it, and the pages is already I know that this is available. Those things whatever I used it, those are very much available. I think you have a color pencil, you can use color pencil to identify the different circle. So then when you will use as a rotating disc, that time you can understand better that types of angles, what is the types of angle. So please you do it, and in my next video I will show you the another type of activities. Okay, thank you students, bye.